Gimbal, DJI or Zhiyun? Which one is worth your money? Let's find out. So hey guys, this is Rohit. So today I'm having two popular smartphone gimbal with me. The first one is Zhiyun Smooth 4 and the other one is DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So please stick to this video because I'm going to compare both gimbal, and at the end of the video I will be sharing my experience and opinion. So let's get started. So first we will see what these companies are offering in their box. Let's start with DJI first. Here is the box itself. It's pretty compact. Specs are written on the box. Let's open it. So here is the gimbal box. Keep it aside for a while. Manuals and the stand or tripod, whatever you want to call. The quality seems good and the branding is engraved. It is made of hard plastic material. Let's check the gimbal. The pouch is compact and texture finish is pretty good, and the product name is written on it. And we have a wrist strap. Let's open the pouch. So the first thing we have is the gimbal itself. Gimbal feels premium and lightweight. Let's unfold it. So we have a Type-C cable. And that's it. This is all we have in the box. So guys, this was the quick unboxing of DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Let's move on to its competitor, Zhiyun Smooth 4. So here is the box. Box is almost double of the size of DJI Osmo. So here is an advantage. Zhiyun offered two color variants. One is white and the other one is black. I got the black one. Let's open it. So the first thing we have is the user manual. So its box is pretty big and made of hard thermocol. And we have our gimbal pretty organized. Wow, I really like the finish of the product. Although it's heavy, but its feel is quite premium. And yes, it is heavier than DJI. So keep it aside for a while. So here we have a Type-C cable. And the tripod. So this was the quick unboxing. So both companies offer almost the same components, but DJI is offering the wristband which is not available in the Zhiyun, so I'm giving 1 point to DJI. So let's talk about the weight. The Zhiyun Smooth 4 is 599 grams whereas DJI Osmo is only 404 grams. So in the term of weight, DJI got the point. So the second key point which I am considering is quality. So the quality of product matters a lot, and for me Zhiyun is the clear winner in the terms of quality. Although it is heavier than the DJI, but still its finish and detailing is so good. So this point goes to Zhiyun Smooth 4. So our third key point is compactness. Guys, there is no argument in this point because our foldable guy is already a winner, whereas its competitor do not like to bend. So sorry buddy, you lose the point. Point goes to DJI. Next point is value. At the time I'm making this video, the DJI cost 7,999 rupees, which is about $106, and Zhiyun cost around 7,299 rupees, which is about $96, so the point goes to the cheaper one. So now I'm going to test its main key factor, which is its functionality. Let's see which gimbal produces smooth output. I'm attaching my Samsung Note 9 to the both gimbal. Let's test DJI first. So here I'm walking with the gimbal. As you can see, the video is quite smooth, but still I feel some lag when I turning the gimbal. So let's do the running test. So guys, let's do both walking and running test on the Zhiyun Smooth 4 with the same camera setting. So here is the walking test. It's pretty smooth. So here is the running test. So guys, both seems equally good, but as we have to announce the winner, so let's see their outputs side by side. So guys, DJI video is bit laggy, whereas Zhiyun Smooth 4 is producing quite smooth output. I would like to give the point to Zhiyun Smooth 4. So now let's see which gimbal boots up fast. I'm pressing the power button at the same time of both gimbal. So guys, as you can see, DJI is faster than Zhiyun. Now talk about moving and zooming. To move the gimbal, both gimbal offer pan and follow mode, but DJI wins the point because it's offering joystick, by which you can move your gimbal in any direction. And in the terms of zooming, both gimbals have dedicated switch to zoom in and zoom out on the mobile. In DJI, there are two buttons by which user can zoom in and zoom out, but in Zhiyun it offers a big rotation wheel, which I feel is better than DJI. It's quite handy as you can use your another hand to use it without shaking the gimbal. It is good for shooting vertigo effects as well. On DJI, you get little shake when you press the button, so zooming point goes to Zhiyun. Now talking about the ports. In DJI, it offers two ports. The one is Type-C input and the other one is Type-A USB power output. It means you can charge your mobile even while recording videos. On Zhiyun, there is only one Type-C port for charging input. There is another port for charging your mobile, which is mini USB port, but it is not convenient. Also, you cannot charge your mobile while recording as gimbal cover the charging port of your mobile. So for me in Zhiyun, charging your mobile while recording is almost of no use. So the point goes to DJI. So guys, after considering few key points, the winner is So guys, the winner is DJI Osmo Mobile 3, but I still go with Zhiyun Smooth 4 because guys, which mobile gimbal you purchase will totally depend upon entirely on your needs. Some filmmaker may be more inclined to the Zhiyun Smooth 4 mainly due to its greater range of motion and more versatile physical control. Other who simply needs a basic gimbal for their workflow may find the simplistic software and hardware design. So this was my opinion and thoughts regarding these two gimbals. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.